Alright, so I'm making for the sausage pizza with the cheddar, mozzarella, red onion, and black olives. The first thing, I'm browning the sweet Italian sausage. I'm doing for 3. And I sprinkle some kosher salt, ground black pepper, and Italian seasoning. So I'm breaking the sausage until it gets nice and brown, really colorful. Then I keep toss all the way. Don't want to get it raw. And I do it onto medium-low heat. I just already made for the pizza dough from scratch. I'm going to put these into the description box below if you want to see more recipes for that. Then make my own. And also we got here some black olives. This is really ripe in California, 100% grown. And some red onion that I put into the fridge. I don't want to make it cry. I'm going to use the one for the traditional pasta sauce. And always I'm going to take out for the cheddar, sharp or mild cheddar cheese, mozzarella, and Parmesan before I'm going to be assembled to make pizza. But first of all, I already rolled out the pizza dough into a very nice big circle after I'm kneading the dough for 40 times. And I just shape it to a ball. Then I just roll it out. Just to make a nice circle, then just place it onto the large cookie sheet that has been already lined with parchment paper. That way for easy cleanup. I'm just going to spread all the tomato sauce. I'm going to use the one for the traditional pasta sauce, made from a jar or even the can. Just spread all the way. You can make your own homemade tomato sauce at home. That I just done this before. So I'm going to put also making the homemade tomato sauce into the description box below. You want to check it out. So I'm going to keep spreading it very generously. I'm going to use it with the back of a spoon. Make it even spreadable layers. So let's sprinkle some Parmesan cheese. Grated Parmesan cheese. Not too much. Just do it like that. I'm going to sprinkle about half of the mozzarella cheese. I have only about 7 ounces. And I'm going to put half of the cheddar, which is included either the sharp cheddar or mild cheddar. This is shredded mozzarella cheese, so I'm just going to sprinkle the one with the cheddar. Like I've done this before in making the Ultimate Supreme. Hopefully that's sure it's going to taste great. This is going to be a lot of cheesy on top of this pizza. Hopefully this is going to make for the sausage pizza. So let's put the cut sausage right over the cheese. Gonna spread that even layers. Make sure to drain the fat from the sausage. Just get that everywhere going. It's just almost spreading right on top of the cheeses. I'm just going to move this around. You can go ahead, and this is going to be in extra spaces. I'm going to arrange all those with the red onions and black olives. Onions goes right on to this sausage, and it's going to be nice and perfect. Or you can evenly separate those, doesn't really matter. And look at all those lot of onions. Now hopefully this is going to be enough onion. I'm probably sure it does. Alright, that's about it. And so let's give that a dabble of the black olives has been sliced. That goes from the can. I'm just going to make it one by one dollop of the olive. Alright, this might be it. If you can't, this might be a lot of toppings. You can finish the rest of the mozzarella cheese, but this is optional. Alright, just all sprinkle. We're going to pop this in the oven that I've already preheated the oven for 450 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to bake this for 25 minutes until the cheese is all melted. I'll come back and I'll show you what it looks. Here we are, guys. After 25 minutes in the oven, I just took it out over here. I'm going to put this on a wire rack to give that a little rest for a while before we're going to slice it in. So I guess I took it for 20 minutes. It is going to be so good for the sausage pizza. Hope you're going to love this until you get for the National Sausage Pizza Day every October 11th. And here you go. Here's the finished sausage pizza with cheddar, mozzarella, red onions, and black olives. Hopefully you're going to be great for it. If you're interested for more recipes, write down in the comments below. You want to say something? Make sure to be always watch before sharing. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up for everyone. So as always, enjoy. Are you a fan of our videos? Be sure to subscribe to Worldwide Campus News and Entertainment. Then ring the bell to see all notifications about the new videos and the latest video.